On my last video, I unboxed all of the iPhone 14 Pro colors. We're going to be unboxing all of the iPhone 14 colors. I don't even know which one to unbox first. Let's unbox the blue one. All right, so this is the iPhone 14. On the side, you have iPhone. So which one you go with is going to color match, which is pretty neat. And the iPhone 14 is featuring that already amazing A15 Bionic chip, which is super fast. And look at that blue. So yeah, so this is a nice baby blue. I think this is the perfect baby blue. Inside the box, no SIM ejection tool because all the iPhone 14 models are eSIM. And of course, you have your Apple stickers, Lightning to Type-C. And let's unpeel this. And you are featuring that same notch from last year, aluminum finish. Let's bring in the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro. So this is basically the Sierra Blue for the iPhone 14, and there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of people like the aluminum finish. Yeah, let that sink in for a second. All right, so let's turn that on. I'm gonna be unboxing the purple. It's gonna be really cool to test out the cameras this year because you have action mode, you have autofocus on the front-facing camera, and yeah, so this purple one is more of a lavender finish. On camera, you know, this kind of reminds me of last year with the pink. It was very subtle, but it's enough where you can notice it. And this one here is no exception. It's a beautiful lavender color. Same thing inside the box. And actually, since we're here, I may as well bring in the iPhone 14 Pro and compare it. Okay, so here's a side-by-side comparison between the 14 Pro and the standard 14. And yeah, so it's a lot more darker on the Pro. But nonetheless, you have that stainless steel versus aluminum. The red iPhone 14. You still have the same 12 megapixel camera, but on the Pros you have 40. Ooh, whoa, this is what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. This might be a little loud for some people, but this is the perfect red. Apple change up the product red every year. The iPhone 12 was more this coral color. Last year was a little bit better, but this year they up the saturation quite a bit on this one. And I didn't even notice on the peel sticker is color coordinated to whatever iPhone color you chose. Yeah, this red one is popping, and it's popping out so much that you can even see it around the phone, around the frame. Wow. The red one might be my favorite color this year. And inside you have product red, no red Apple stickers, but other than that, everything is exactly the same here. We have Starlight. Starlight was first introduced last year, and ever since then, I just fell in love with it. I picked it up for my iPad Mini 6, and it's just such a clean champagne color. So this is the Starlight. So basically, you got white, you got a little champagne gold, kind of like a little hint of gold going on. Pretty much same exact thing as last year. And of course, we have the boss, the Midnight. Ever since having the M2 MacBook Air with that Midnight, you might want to pick up this color to match with your MacBook. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is what we want on the iPhone 14 Pro. We got that with Space Black, which I love Space Black. But this has a little hint of blue a little bit. So it's not 110% black, but nonetheless, it's dark enough where you could consider it to be black. Okay. Now I have the iPhone 14 Plus coming in October 7th. Stay tuned for a drain test, battery test, charge test. I'm going to be ripping this phone apart with just a bunch of content. You guys don't want to miss that. And of course, ranking all these colors right now from what I'm seeing, man, this red one really threw me off. This is my favorite color this year. Flip-flopping between the blue and the red, but I'm going with the red. I just like the way how the red looks this year. Number 2, blue. Number 3, purple. This is pretty much the order I'll go with. I got the light reflection. But nonetheless, all of them are beautiful. You can't go wrong with either or. All right, so time for the close-ups to help you guys decide even further which color you should go with. Alrighty guys, that concludes today's video. Let me know down in the comments down below which color are you going with out of all 5 of these colors. Stay tuned for more videos on the channel. Subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Simplypops. And once again, shout out to Cookie for helping me out, scanning all these iPhones and putting them in the bag. It was a wonder. That's one of the things I love about iPhone season or iPhone day. It just feels special. Every little moment, you're going to remember that. And even though the iPhone 14 is a minor upgrade from the 13, it's just the experience at the end of the day. All right. Till next time, guys. Simplypops out.